The University of Technology of Mauritius, UTM, doctoral school. Let's look at the procedures to apply. This is the university where I'm currently at, and I am doing MPhil PhD. These are the steps that you follow. So the first thing is your research interest. What are you interested in researching on? You have to be clear about that because it will help you to write your research proposal. Then step 2 is to identify your research supervisor. Step 3, prepare your research proposal. Step 4, submit your application. Step 5, your application is being considered. And then step 6, you receive your offer letter and go through the registration process. So for research interest, you have to find the research areas for the University of Technology. I'm going to be saying UTM because that's how we call it, UTM. You click here on the document. I've put the link to the official website in the video description. Visit that link and then download this document. Find the research interest. What are their research interests? And find the one that align with your career or with your program, the qualification that you already have. And then you have to identify your research supervisor. It's very important that you start this process early, because sometimes these supervisors are busy and may not have the capacity to take additional students. So you'll find the list of potential supervisors here. Go there and see what their areas of research are, what is their field, what are they currently involved in, and then pick the ones that are mostly aligned with your research interest and reach out to them. Third step is to write your research proposal. There are some guidelines for writing your research proposal as per the UTM guidelines. So go and find that guideline and follow it through. The next thing is to submit your application. Let's go straight to international students because this instruction is for local students. Let's go to international students. For you, there's an form that you need to fill out. So you download that form and fill it out. And then firstly, it's an admission form, right? There's a different, and then an application form for MPhil, PhD, DBA research. So you have to be careful here. There's admission form and then there's application form. Then you request your supervisor to complete this agreement form. That is after you have finalized with your supervisor and they have agreed to supervise you, then you can send them that form. And then you pay application fee. There's an application fee. Here is the amount. It's USD 50. And then for certain countries, it's 1,000 Mauritian rupees. So you can click here to find out more about the application fee and where you should pay that application fee. Along with the documents that we have just discussed, you should have a copy of your undergraduate degree, copy of your postgraduate degree, and your final transcript of postgraduate degree, copy of your passport, proof of payment, and please keep your proof of payment. If you are selected for the scholarship, you will be reimbursed. After that, after gathering all these documents that are required, then you submit your application to this email address. This is the doctoral email address. They will then process your application within 2 months, and then if you are successful, you will receive an offer letter. After the offer letter, there will be an induction session. So basically, that's how you apply to UTM. Make sure that you start early because it can take time. You have to write proposals, you have to find supervisors. The earlier you start, the better. Remember to join our Masters and PhD community for support with your applications. The link is there in the video description. And if you need assistance with your research proposal, I'll be happy to assist. You can also book through the link in the video description. All the best with your application.